Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Bring 4 liters of water to a rolling boil, add 1 tablespoon salt, then pour in 250 g-pen. Stir immediately and cook 10 to 12 minutes until al dente. Test a piece at 9 minutes. Reserve 1 cup of the starchy pasta water, then drain in a colander. Return pasta briefly to the pot off heat and toss with 1 tablespoon coconut oil so strands separate and stay glossy while you prepare the Kerala-style sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons coconut oil in a wide skillet, then add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, pop briefly. Sauté 1 large sliced onion and 2 chopped green chilies until translucent, about 4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon garam masala, stir for 30 seconds, then fold in 2 tablespoons tomato paste and cook 2 minutes to remove raw taste. Pour in 1 cup coconut milk. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon sugar, and simmer gently for 4 minutes to blend flavors. Add the drained pasta to the skillet with the simmering coconut sauce, tossing gently to coat. If the sauce seems thick, add up to 1 cup reserved pasta water a little at a time to reach a saucy, glossy coating. Stir in 1 cup chopped tomatoes and 1 cup thinly sliced bell pepper. Heat 2 minutes until warmed but crisp. Off heat, fold in 10 fresh curry leaves, 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, and squeeze 1 lime over the pasta before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.